Hi, good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping fine at your home. Stay home and stay safe. Don't go out and get into the trouble. I am Jayesh. Due to this pandemic virus, we cannot come together and have the classes at the school. So we have already started online classes. So I am going to teach you social studies in class 3. And in this class 3 we follow this book. This is the book which we are going to follow in class 3 social studies. The book's name is Our Social Environment, and there are 17 chapters. 17 chapters are there in this book, and the first chapter is the earth, our home, and we will study about the earth in this chapter. See, I have written here the earth, our home. In this lesson we will study three things mainly about the earth. The first thing is the earth is a heavenly body, and the second one is the earth is a livable planet, and the third one, the shape of the earth. And first we shall see the earth is a heavenly body. Do you know what is heavenly bodies? I will tell you. The heavenly bodies are the natural objects which are visible in the sky are called heavenly bodies. What are visible in the sky? Moon, stars, sun, all these things are visible in the sky. And these all things we cannot see at a time in the sky. We cannot see this. In the daytime we shall see sun in the sky, and the night time we shall see stars and moon. Stars are hot bodies that emit light. Sun also is a star, and the moon has no light of its own. And some other objects also, they are not having their own light. So those objects, they are revolving around the sun, because sun is a star, and these objects also, they can get the light from the sun, so they are revolving around the sun. And these natural objects, they are 18 numbers. Those are revolving around the sun. They are 18 numbers, and they are the sun and the 8 planets that all are revolving around the sun. They are together, they are called solar system. And I will tell you the 8 planets. You may be knowing that. First one is Mercury, second one is Venus, third is Earth, fourth one is Mars, and the fifth one Jupiter, sixth is Saturn, and seventh is Uranus, and eighth one is Neptune. And our Earth is one of the 8 planets that revolve around the sun. The planet Earth is a tiny part of the universe. Do you know what is universe? The vast space containing all the heavenly bodies is called the universe. It's a vast space and it contains all the heavenly bodies, that is called the universe. When we see the earth from the space, the earth looks blue in color because of the water in oceans and seas. So that the earth is also called the blue planet or watery planet. Okay, blue planet or watery planet. The second thing I told about the earth is the earth is a livable planet. Our earth is special and different from other planets. It is the only planet on which life exists. There are some conditions required to support the life. There are 3 conditions are required mainly. The first condition is the earth has air around it called atmosphere. We need oxygen. That oxygen is available in the atmosphere. And the second one is the earth has water in liquid form. And in our day-to-day life, we need water. That also it is available on the earth. And the third one is the earth is neither too near nor too far from the sun. It is not so close to the sun and it is not so far from the sun. It is in the right place. So the right amount of sunlight can be received from the sun. And the third and the last thing I told about the earth is the shape of the earth. And what is the shape of the earth? It is a round in shape. And we call this shape a sphere. But when we stand in an open field or in the seashore, we feel that the earth is flat. That's why in olden times people were very much afraid of traveling too far, because they also thought that the earth is flat in shape and it has an edge. If they are going very far, they will fall off the edge. Even when Galileo, the great astronomer, pointed out the earth is round and it revolves around the sun, no one believed him. In 1519, Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese sailor, started his sea voyage with his sailors from Spain and sailed around the world. He kept sailing in one direction. After 3 years, his sailors reached the very place, that means the same place from where they have started their voyage. And this proved that earth is round. This is further proved when in 1968 the American astronauts Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin landed on the moon and took photographs of the earth from there. The earth looked like a ball. So, what is the shape of the earth? The earth is round in shape and we call this shape a sphere. So, in this lesson, I hope you understood the three things about the earth. That the earth is a heavenly body, and the second one is the earth is a livable planet, and the third one is about the shape of the earth. And some question answers, fill in the blanks, tick the correct answers and answer the following, and all things it is given in the end of this lesson. That also I will add here in this video, in the end of this video. Okay. These are the exercise given at the end of this chapter. First section is A. Fill in the blanks. The earth is one of the 8 dash that revolve around the sun. That answer is planets. And the second one is the earth is also called the blue planet or watery planet. Then the third one, water covers about 3/4 of the earth's surface. Then fourth one, the cover of air around the earth is called atmosphere. And the next section B, tick the correct answer. We live on the dash. 3 options are given here. Then first one is sun, second is earth, and third one is moon. And the right option is earth. And the second question, dash of the earth's surface is covered with land. Then 3 options are 3/4, half and 1/4. And the right answer is 1/4. And the third question, dash went on a long sea voyage. Aristotle, Magellan, Armstrong. Then right answer is Magellan. Then the fourth one, the place where the land and the sky seem to meet is called coast, space, horizon. Right answer is horizon. Then fifth one, the shape of the earth is round, oval, flat. Right answer is round. Then write T for true and F for false statements. Then first question, the earth is a tiny part of our universe. That is true. Then the second one, life is also present on other planets. That is false. Then the third one, the earth is the home for all living things. That is true. Then the fourth one, we need oxygen to breathe in to survive. That is true. Then the fifth one, the earth is a star, not a planet. That is false. I hope that you may have enjoyed this class, and one request is there. I already shown these exercises of this lesson, and you can take one copy and write down all the exercises and you can learn this. Okay, bye.